My name is Joanna, and I'm living in Australia and all the time here. But I was born in Malaysia. I'm one of the students from Dr. Saline. And what can I say? I was very fortunate that I come up with Dr. Father Saline Joseph, and he has helped me tremendously to pass through this OET exam. And my tip to all of you is you just follow his tips. Because he is the best teacher in the whole world. I can tell you that. And of course, it's very hard. And I have three attempts. So the first attempt, I I didn't achieve the score that I wanted because I have to do all the four in one session, and I can't just sit for the one subtest. And I keep missing out on one part, which is only just a minute margin. I only get 340, and the passing mark is 350. And I almost give up. And until one day, I Googled the internet and I discovered Father Salin Joseph YouTube. And I thought, he's very, very good with his teaching. And somehow I got connected. And I kept trying to get in touch with him. And eventually I did. And he has helped me. And here I am. I passed my OVT. And I'm currently working. I had a very good job offer. And but without his help, I wouldn't be doing my nursing course. So don't give up and keep following his strategy. And he is really, really good. I was struggling with reading part A, and my one advice that I would probably give the aspirant is that concentrate also on the part A reading, because if they can do under exam condition and just put pressure on themselves, and that's what I did, because even though the timing is 15 minutes, but try to do them in 10 minutes, because when I sit for my exam, for some reason, the context that we have was so long, and I really didn't think I can pass my reading part A at all. And but I did my best, and I follow all the strategy that the Father Salin shown me, and be calm and just trying to answer all the question. And from that on, I progressed to the part B and part C. Again, I follow all the strategies. Good to see you, Manju.
Hi, Joanna. Congratulations for your success. Still remembering your
Thank
face, smiling face.
Yes, very good, Manju. Thank you very much. Also,
Thank you.
you all been very, very good, and you helped me a lot as well. So with all the modules that you're sending, all the learning materials, it's definitely helped. So I never forget time that I'm studying, with EduSkills. So they're all very good. I don't really have much more to add apart from all the
Okay.
strategy that you have given me
Yeah.
is working.
Yeah.
So just follow Father Salin Joseph's strategy.
And you have a good
Thank
English.
you.
I want to know, how did you get this much of good speaking English?
To my surprise as well. And but I did it. And so if you just prepared yourself very well, and as I said, Father Salin Joseph has been very, very good, and he's best teacher. And not say any more about, just keep practicing. That's it. And I wish you all the very best.